Such videos are going viral on Facebook and YouTube, and they are generating good earnings. Do you also want to create videos like these? I have provided the master prompt in the comment section. Copy it, open ChatGPT and paste it there. It will then offer you various topics. Let's say I choose topic 1 and send it. Now video prompts will appear. Copy them. Open Google Flow AI, click on New, select video instead of image, and adjust the settings. Paste the prompts and hit send. Wait a moment and your video will be generated. You can then download this video and upload it to YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels. Follow us for more tips like this.